Hello and welcome to this video. Luke Millard here with you. In this video we're going to discuss the view to earn system, and I'll give you a demonstration of how that works and who it works for. What is so great about the view to earn system is that you can receive high volume full page advertising to your website or landing pages very quickly. So this system is set up to deliver a lot of traffic very fast. So if you're testing new landing pages, you want to maybe launch something in the next few days and you really want a lot of traffic, a big boost of traffic, this is perfect for that. And what is so powerful about this system is that you, as the advertiser, determine the ad spend, okay? You determine how much you're willing to spend and how many views you want for that, and how long the viewer would view your ad for. So let me give you a demonstration of how that actually looks. So if I head over to the main website, if I just go back to the dashboard here, and I'll show you exactly what happens when a member logs into Hashing Ad Space. They've logged in for various reasons, but this particular product is up here, view to earn. So this is a paid to click service where members come and they directly earn Asimi tokens by watching your ads. So if we just scroll down here, you can see the advertisers ads that are in the system at the moment. So we only show this many per page, and the idea here is that we have the highest click values set to the top. So like I said, you are allowed to set the price that you are willing to pay for each viewer. Now, I'll show you how to do that in a moment, but what you can see here is that this particular advertiser, ready to change your life, has set up this campaign, and then they've set a click value right here, and they've also set the duration, so how long they would like the viewer to view their ads. So let's just quickly click on view ad and I'll show you how that looks. So we always have a focus here on ensuring that you get real views to your ads. And so now that I've clicked on the capture, so you can see that this is their landing page. Okay, you can see the countdown timer that was for 15 seconds, and then once it's completed, the viewer of this can either open it in a new window. They can already do that, so if they're interested in your offer, they can come and save it for later, or of course they could have just entered their information immediately, and then when they are done, they can close and complete, and they receive their view to earn credit. So you can see that they've successfully viewed one ad. What has just happened there is that my account balance has just been credited with this exact amount. Okay, so people are here actively trying to earn Asimi tokens, and so what you know about this audience is that they, one, already have a cryptocurrency wallet, two, they're interested in cryptocurrencies, three, they're interested in making money from home, and so you know that information. Now you can see that that top ad has been removed now. So the viewer can only view your ad one time every 24 hours, of course. We don't want somebody just watching your ad over and over again trying to earn your Asimi. But what this means is that the viewers come here every single day and they can watch up to, at the time of making this video, 25 ads in a single day. So they go down the list and they continue to watch the ads that have the highest click values. They can also toggle into per second values here, and what that means is that they're basically looking for the highest amount of income per second that they are viewing. Okay, so this is for people that are trying to, like I said, earn Asimi every day, and you can position your ad up here in the top so that, or anywhere, okay, it's up to you where you want your ad in this list. You can see that a new ad was added to the bottom here because we watched one, and that continues to happen. At the time of making this video, there's around about 1 million ads ready to be viewed in this system, and we deliver around about 200,000 views per day in this system. So we have a bit of a backlog there, so you can position yourself. And the reason that we have a backlog is that some people may have set way too cheap a click value, meaning that they are on other pages which the viewer can't access. Okay, so the idea here is if you want to be positioned at the top, you need to set a click value. You can come and you can look at how much other people are paying, where you'll be positioned, and you can set that up. So what we've done here, you can see we've also created prizes that we pay to members, so they go in a raffle every single day. And what we've really done here is ensured guaranteed views. Okay, so what we've set up is a way that you get to set the price, you get to set how many views you want, and let's go and look at the campaign setup right now so you can have a look at what is involved with that. So here we are. So create a view to earn traffic campaign. You can see the instructions here, but what you can do is you can apply your Asimi. So if I want to apply 100 Asimi, then I can set how many views I want, okay, and for how long, toggle between 7 and 15 seconds, and it shows the click value. Now this click value might be a little bit high considering we looked at comparable click values here of 0.02. So let's go back and think about potentially even going another one right there. Now at the time of making this video, just to give you an example, at the time of making this video, that is about $5. Okay, so very, very low cost. $5, 10,000 views to your website, and with this setting, you would be positioned right about here in 3rd position. So that's really powerful stuff. I mean, if you're happy to be further down the list here, like I said, you do run the risk, but you can see you could even almost squeeze to another half of that. So there's a lot of opportunity to get a lot of views to your website here at a very low cost. And if you're wondering how do you get Asimi tokens in order to run these campaigns, it's easy. When you are purchasing the product, purchase advertising products, and you purchase the view to earn advertising, right here, when you, let's say we wanted 1,000 Asimi, continue, what you're purchasing is view to earn Asimi tokens. Okay, so they're not Asimi tokens. You can't then go and sell these Asimi tokens because we don't operate as an exchange. But what you're purchasing is the product, and then you can use that service, that advertising service. So right here you can see if you want to purchase 1,000, that's actually 10,000, sorry, so you might want to change that quantity. Let's bring it down to 110 Asimi packages is, if we just let that update, is 1,000 Asimi. And then, like I said, very low cost there. 1,000 Asimi is around about $50, and then you can add it to your cart, or you can purchase immediately here using coin payments, or depending on when you watch this video, you can use your credit card for this. And so what you're purchasing is the product that will be added, and then you will have Asimi credits in your campaign setup. So that's a very simple way to purchase this product. And if I head back to the campaign setup, once you've set these parameters, so let's just go through that again, to 100, 10,000, 15 seconds, and click apply. Oh, I don't have that in my balance, sorry. You can see I have 39 right there, so let's just change this down to 10 and go to 1,000, and then click apply. And then you can see there's a step 2 here. Step 2 is where this is only for yourself, personal description. Then you can add these advertising lines, okay? So this is what you saw here. This is what the member sees. So you can add that advertising line to the descriptions, enter your URL. This is your website URL, so your landing page or your website, your full URL there. And then you can see these are grayed out because you've already selected this in step 1, and you can submit that ad for approval. Once it's approved, you will see it, or members will see it in this ad selection page. So that's a demo for how the view to earn system works. This has been a very popular product among advertisers and viewers. You can see it really is a direct relationship for advertisers that are spending and getting views to your website, so you can have views to your website every single day, and people that maybe want to earn a few tokens. It's created a very low cost guaranteed viewer retention system, and it really has yielded a lot of great results for advertisers. So I encourage you to have a look at this, because it is, at the time of making this video, you can literally do this for about 50 cents. 10 Asimi tokens is 50 cents. You can have your campaign set up, so it's exciting system for that one reason. If I just go back here, I just want to show you one thing, is that there is a difference between the amount. You can see that 0.7 of Asimi is set into the click system. Okay, so it represents 70 cents. So 70%, sorry. So if you have a click value here of 0.1, then it will actually show for the user at 0.07. Okay, so it's a slightly different to the example I just gave a moment ago, where you do need to take into consideration the difference. So this goes to mainly paid out in commissions. So there's commissions for viewers and there's commissions for the advertising purchase, and there's a 10% that goes to admin. So that's the difference there. So just take that into consideration when remaining competitive with your click values. But overall, really very exciting system, like I said, because it is low cost, high volume traffic, perfect for testing your campaigns, perfect for getting leads into your autoresponders. I mean, there's a lot of value here for the advertiser. So I would encourage you to go and purchase the V2E system, have that as part of your marketing campaign, as well as our ad minter, as well as our banner ads, so that you're getting a lot of traffic really fast. You're testing your campaigns with the V2E system, and then you're also getting into our buyers list with our ad minter, maybe our login ads that capture a lot of attention as well. So as part of a strategy, this is a really, really strong product to add into your advertising campaign strategy to really drive that high volume, fast traffic. Okay, thanks. Luke here, of course, with you. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end, and I will see you in the next video.